Trouble for the Sahara Group now seems to be mounting. The Supreme Court has directed the group to reveal the source of 22,000 crores, which it claims to have paid its investors. Now, the Supreme Court order barring the Sahara chief Subrata Roy from leaving the country is also set to continue. Meenakshi Bhanja is on the phone line. Meenakshi, take us through the details.
Well, yes, absolutely. This is not the first time Sahara chief has found himself on a sticky wicket with the apex court. Under mounting pressure, you rightly pointed out again, the Supreme Court has come down very heavily on the Sahara Group, particularly the Sahara chief. Essentially, the Supreme Court has asked Sahara to reveal the source of rupees 22,000 crores which has been paid to investors. That is the specific instruction from the Supreme Court. Court alongside has also directed Sahara to file an affidavit by the 23rd of January, wherein it will go ahead and put forth on record how it has gone about paying these investors. Also, you recall on an earlier occasion, the Supreme Court had allowed some latitude to the Sahara chief to travel outside of the country. That again has been withdrawn today. This is not the first time Sahara Group and Sahara chief have found themselves on a sticky wicket, but the continued annoyance of the Supreme Court with the Sahara Group could be something which could spell trouble in forthcoming days, given the fact that again the Supreme Court has expressed its deep unhappiness and sharp displeasure, giving a very hard rap on the knuckles to the Sahara chief again for not being in a position so far to disclose how it has gone ahead and paid off the investors. So clearly, difficult days ahead for the Sahara Group. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Meenakshi. As you said, this is not the first time really that the Supreme Court has rapped them on the knuckles. This time also saying again and again that divulged the source of this funding.
Yes, absolutely. Rightly pointed out. Again, the top court has today, in a very pertinent observation, said that it could also look at the possibility of directing a probe by CBI and registrar of companies if the group fails to provide this information. That has also passed the court's mind, which it has expressed by way of an observation. So, very difficult days ahead, given the fact that the matter is still in the Supreme Court. The directions are awaited. But the continued annoyance of the top court would be be a matter of grave concern.
Absolutely, Meenakshi. As you said, no relief for Sahara. The Supreme Court has directed them to divulge the source of funding for 22,000 crores. Thank you for joining us.